Good day. Today we're here to talk about the Rand. After 4 years and the Rand appreciating from 7 to 12, a lot of people ask, where to now? So when looking at the prospects for the Rand, we have to look at global factors as well as domestic factors. Globally, the most important thing at the moment is that the US is about to start raising their interest rates. This has enormous consequences for the rest of the world. We have seen commodity prices declining on the back of that, as well as a reduction of emerging market risk exposure by global investors. They've been selling down on emerging market currencies, bonds, and equities, and we face this normalization into the back end of 2015. On the back of weak commodity prices also, South African exports are under severe pressure. Then, when looking at the domestic factors, the first most important point is our current account deficit. Unfortunately, we still import as South African consumers keep on consuming and investments take place, but our biggest problem is that the value of our exports have declined materially on lower commodity prices on the back of the strong dollar. Hence, our current account deficit remains a major headwind to the value of the Rand. The second situation, a lot spoken about it already, is the energy situation in South Africa. The lack of electricity places a bottleneck on future growth, and it also dissuades foreign investors from applying more capital in South Africa. Two very worrying factors for the prospects of the Rand. So the question was, where to from here in the Rand? Well, firstly, on Thursday the 26th of March, we have a Reserve Bank Monetary Policy Committee meeting. We do not expect them to change rates at all, which shouldn't affect the Rand too much. The next thing is out to June, and the question is, will we see a public sector workers' strike during this period? It would be very unsettling for the Rand if we do, and a lot of confidence into our economy if it doesn't. And then finally, in the back end of the year, as US interest rates normalize, we can expect a lot of volatility in global financial markets, and this will be a very unsettling period for the Rand. I'm leaving you with a forecast that the storm is unfortunately not yet over for the Rand, and we expect further weakness.